YouTube? Biz Matthew here once again with another video, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can find boots on the ground if you're trying to virtual wholesale. Now for me, this is just my first attempt in trying it, so just a disclaimer, I'm not a professional at this. If you want to hear from real professional virtual wholesalers, please go to another channel. I'm just trying this out, just bring you all along on this journey with me in wholesaling. And I got this lead from a Facebook marketing campaign, and so I'm just trying it out a little bit. Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment down below. Make sure you guys smash that like button. The more you all like, the more my channel becomes discoverable on the YouTube algorithm. The longer you guys watch my videos, the better it is. So let's grow this channel together. Now, I got this lead from running a Facebook ad to collect leads for people who want to sell their house. The area that I was marketing to targeted somebody in Indiana. Now I live in Tennessee, right? And so I was like, okay, I got this lead. I got a phone call. Woman's interested in selling. So I'm all like, dang, but I'm right here. You know, I'm in Tennessee. And I let the seller know that and whatnot. And so I actually set up an appointment to go take pictures of the house, because there wasn't even images on Google where I could see, like on Google Maps, the street view or whatnot of it. And so anyways, what I did was I posted a Craigslist ad for someone to go to the property today, actually, to take photos of the house. So they're going at 2 p.m. today. But this is what I put. So I just put, let me try to put the screen up. The brightness up. Okay, so it says, photographer needed to take photos of house. Only smartphone is needed. And so this just really makes my listing stand out a lot, because most of the job listings on Craigslist don't have photos on them. And so this is really out there. It's in your face. And I got a lot of response instantly, because I was getting nothing from putting it on Facebook Jobs. They have this thing that you can, submit, job applications on your business account. But anyway, so that's one way to have boots on the ground. You hear these virtual wholesalers talk about boots on the ground, and how do you get boots on the ground? And that's part of it. And if this goes well and I'm able to close, maybe I'll have this photographer, hey, are you able to bring a contract to this person? Are you able to look at this house for me? Are you able to negotiate, build this man or woman up, and and whatnot, and have boots virtually. And this, I'm just dipping my toe in the virtual market. I'm not a pro, as you all know. I always try to tell you all that. But yeah, I'm just showing you all a practical way that you can apply it to your business, because you always hear these people talk about virtual wholesaling, but they don't give no practical advice. So I'm just saying, hey, I went on Craigslist. I made a photo for my job offering. I made it on canva.com. Very simple. Just put a blue background and white text. I put a description. I put like what area, what city the house is in, and I put when they need to be there. So that really filtered the candidates. And I said, hey, if you have a camera or a smartphone, updated smartphone, it would be perfect. And so when I contacted this person, I said, hey, can you make it at this time? Good. What kind of camera/smartphone do you have? So they gave me the brand and the model. I was like, okay, that's a decent, it's fairly updated. This one I think is an iPhone 6. To me, it should still be decent. But anyways, yeah, so that's basically it. And so they're gonna meet at 2 p.m. today. And so I'll update you all to tell you all how that's been going, how that went or whatnot. I'm trying to still sell this property out in probably an hour out from where I live. I've been having to drive there to go look at the property to show to buyers, because the seller just wants me to be there. So I couldn't really do that one virtually. And so really trying to sell this one. I have potentially 2 people looking at the property today. I'm going to try to sell it to the city also. So see if I can get there early to go to the city's office and meet them in person. But yeah, you all, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember, smash that like button. And let's grow in our business and our entrepreneur life together. There's ups and downs. There are struggles here, but people look at us differently, talk about us, but we're just pursuing our dreams. Hope you all enjoyed this. Peace.